Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Monday. Yes, new week, new puzzles. Monday, October the 17th, 2022. We have two puzzles left. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. And this one, the third puzzle I will do is a binary puzzle. I've already done the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. And it's time now for the binary. The binary puzzle number 5343. Yeah, 5343. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's or 4 ones. All right, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. And double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last row. So the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here in the second column. So the rest are ones. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row. In this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be an O. If I place number 4, the 4th one in this box, then we still have 3 O's in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be an O. Alright, okay. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then, yeah. I'm thinking. Do I need to compare now? Well, this row and that row. Let me compare. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 0, 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. Otherwise, we have identical rows, not allow one of the rows. So here we have an O, so this box should be a 1. We have a 1 there, so this box should be an O. Alright, now we have between 2 O's comes an 1. We have 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. Think. What is the next step? We have here an O and a 1 with between 2 empty boxes. If there are 2 empty boxes between an O and a 1, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So this box should be an O. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in the second row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Need to think. Compare again. 3. Yeah, I need to compare again, I think. 1, 2. 2 columns. No, 4 columns. And 1, 2, 3 rows. 001. Do we have 001 here? No. So I can compare this one. 10. Do we have a 10 here? 10. Okay. Oh, I can 3. So it will be difficult. But if I look to this row and that row, to the O's, here we have an O, there we have an O, and here we have an O. This O, the 4th O, is in this row. I cannot place the O there, otherwise we have identical rows. Yeah, so this should be a 1 then. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Yeah. Then 3. Yeah, need to look further. 10. Okay. How about 010? Here we have an 010 here. Oh, 10. Yeah, but with 3. Okay, will be difficult. Let me look to the columns. 101. Do we have a 101 here? No. Do we have a 010 here? 010. Well, here 010. Here also an 010. 1, 2. Well, same situation. If I compare with this and that column, look to the O's. Here we have an O, there we have an O, and here we have an O. The 4th O in this column is here. If I place number 4 here, then we have identical columns. So I cannot place the 4th O here. So this should be a 1 then. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I need a O and a 1 there. Okay. Then. Can I compare this? 10 we have here. This 10 is not the same. Oh, no. 001. Here we have 001 here. It will be difficult. 101. We have 101 here. 101. Yeah. Well, here we have. Yeah, let me compare this column. That column. 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. 0 0 1 1 empty box. 0 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1 2 3 4 O. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Yes, completed in 10 minutes. Wow, this one is tough. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.